Hello everybody, I'm going to go through the process of updating my transponder and ADS-B GTX 45R in my Carbon Cub FX-3. And so Garmin makes the updater available, which is in the where you typically find the G3X software update. So what I did was I downloaded the file and extracted it, and I'm following the instructions. So they're, let me see the files here. So we got, this is the 361 version, which is the latest as of today, which is in July of 2025. So there are two PDFs in here. One is the software loading tool info, and the other one is the update info. So definitely RTFM, read both of the manuals. So the loading tool pretty much says launch the loading tool, which is something you have to install, which I just completed the install. Then you apply power to the unit and then follow the instructions. And then the update guide is the other PDF. Kind of goes through some download the item. So you've got the loading tool, which is the one that ends in T5, and then you've got, and it says install the loading tool, then open the executable, then connect a USB cable, attach the aircraft ground power, and energize the unit. Now, even though I've got an EarthX and I've got plenty of power, I'm doing what the manual tells me. So I am connected. My charger is connected to the aircraft because you don't want to lose power during the process. You can end up corrupting the unit, and then you'd have to remove it, send it to Garmin, and it could be expensive. So you need a USB Type B cable. The pigtail is on the bottom right of my panel, so I'm plugged in. So I'm going to go ahead and power up the unit. Here's avionics, so just let that come up. I heard the connection on the laptop, so let's check the versions when it comes up as well. So I have master and avionics on. Let's see if I can figure out where the versions are. Is it in setup? Where would it be? I checked this last time, but let's see. Let me just fumble through this. Is it tools? System information. So let's see here. ADS-B is 341. GTX 45 is 2.80. So let's just get out of that. All right, so we're connected to the computer. I have installed the tool. Here is the completion of the software loading tool. So now I should select the other file. I hate this, come on. 361 GCA. Alright, does the other one have to be installed too? Or is it just going to extract? What does this one do? So there's the GCA file. So extract that, select the GCA, open. Let's get these other things. Alright, so select items to upload. Auto select recommended. Okay. Connect. All right. Auto select. All right. So I selected the GCA. I hit connect. It's connected to the unit. Auto select recommended. So you've got 290 and 361. Let's do upload. So 290 and 361. Is what should be going in. And by the way, what I should have started with is this really should be done by a Garmin certified center, but Garmin does make this available to experimental aircraft owners to do on their own. So if you have any doubt or concerns, don't do it. Here's the ADS-B being uploaded. I believe there's some protection that if you're within warranty and something goes wrong, you can send it in and they will help you. If you're outside of warranty, it could be expensive. So I am doing this. I believe I'm still in warranty. I believe it's 2-year warranty on the Garmin. Not sure, but this will probably be the only time I do this. It has not been done since taking delivery of this plane. Upload complete, finalizing. Let's take a look at what's going on inside, if anything. Can't see anything being done. Transponder is offline. Now it's back online, which I'm happy to see. 2 items were successfully loaded to the unit. Okay. So now we're showing 361. Oh, that's in file. 361 on the unit and 290. So let's go take a look. Tools. System information. So 290 and 361 are now uploaded. So it looks good, thankfully. Alright, let's see. We're showing down here at the bottom. Anything of interest? No, just my info. But it looks like that's it. Let me just double check the instructions. I'm going to go ahead and read the instructions before I do anything here, anything. Alright. Energize the unit. Take steps to prevent power disruption. So loading tool, connect. Well, here's more instructions, yeah. Read the entire manual first. Select connect. Make sure the unit is online. Select browse. Select your GCA file, which you have to extract from the exe file. Do auto select. Integrate reading the manual after you do it. After the update is complete, make sure the software part numbers and versions of the unit match. Select exit. Alright, looks like we are good. I don't see an exit. So I'm going to disconnect. Oh, maybe that's it up here. Exit. Thank you, thank you. Alright, so that's it.